to take you for a tour of my walk-in wardrobe slash closet, and I'm going to show you exactly how I store and organize my clothes, makeup and accessories. So just remember, this is not my everyday closet, this is just my walk-in, my going out closet, and I keep my other things, everyday things elsewhere. I've already done a detailed review on a video on that, and I'll link that down in the description box if anybody's interested. So if you like this video, don't forget to like it and give it a big thumbs up, and also subscribe. You're gonna make my day. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the topmost shelf. I just have some hairspray, some Bee Blunt hair creams. This is an awesome product by what FX, yeah, Special Effects. It's this bodybuilder cream. It this really volumizes your hair like nothing else. This is a box which has just got some, to glam, etc. This is a beauty subscription box baggie which I really like. Some hair products in here. Couple of miscellaneous things there. The next shelf here has got some woolen things. Now, of course, you know better than to hang your woolies, because they're going to if you hang them, they're really going to be hanged, as in hangman's noose. You're going to lose them. They're going to lose shape. So this here is it's the topmost shelf. That's the wall up there. These three boxes are so gorgeous. They're so cute. They just don't have much. This one has scarves for woolies and stuff. This has got some hair accessories, I believe. The topmost one is holding one stray choker. These are some boxes again, which I got by a beauty subscription. And these little babies, they are so cute. That's a little laundry bag behind there. The next thing we have down here are these acrylic drawers. I got these off Amazon. They were not really expensive. You can even get them from Muji's, right? But those are really costly. So these are pop out. They pop out, which is great in case if you're in a hurry and you're just looking for something. It's also very easy to clean. So these are my foundations, lipsticks, chokers. This is the stuff I use on an everyday basis. These are all my hair clips, hair ties, brushes, a Stray Naked palette. Again, the same. This is very useful, guys. You can just pop it out, use what you want, take what you want, and just pop it right back in. This is my eye drawer, as I call it. This here has got some stray lipsticks and other things. Okay, now I'll come to the drawers. I'll start with the topmost one. This guy just holds eyelashes, a lot of miscellaneous stuff. Nothing very interesting in here. Okay. You need a drawer for your miscellaneous stuff too. Now this here is this drawer which I have organized with this. What's this? This drawer organizer off Amazon. This was a set of 3 for just $700. It was a steal. $700 is like about $10, less than $10. So they have these they have these compartments which make things so easy to take in and take out. You can just take out what you want, use it without messing up the entire thing. Put it right back in, and see everything here. Even though there's a method to it looks crazy, but there is a method to the madness in here. It keeps everything neatly organized. I have 2 of these in some other drawers as well. This is another miscellaneous drawer, but these are necessities. You have some earbuds for cleaning makeup. I have my tape, some stray eyelashes which are really bad, and a couple of other things. So 2 miscellaneous drawers, but you do need those. This here is holding all the things I've purchased off Amazon or other places for tutorials and stuff. A hair curler. Nothing much in there either. You can see I've got lots of space to grow. This here holds pouches. These are lots and this is a very beautiful belt. I got this belt from Greece, and it's so beautiful. I like to use it very rarely. I've kept it if you can see, I've kept it very safely. See, just look at the shine there. This is a beautiful belt. After you wear it, it just glams up any outfit. This is like a belt which is going to glam up the dullest outfit. It was on sale. I should have gotten two. They had a beautiful golden one as well. So these are all small pouches which you may or may not need, but it's always good to pick them up in sales, but not just, just wasting money. Only if you really need them. This is some lingerie, some nice bras and some body shapers. The next thing here are my earrings. Now this is like a little interesting because a lot of my friends ask me, why do you just keep your earrings in bags? See, I've got a pair of earrings in this Forever 21 envelope. I've got a couple of them in here. Now the thing is, I keep them in these plastic baggies so they don't lose their shine, because I've seen that when you hang them outside, they tend to oxidize. You lose, I love my earrings and I'm really in no mood to lose them. I've lost some really beautiful earrings to oxidization. It's like really not fun. So these are again some earrings. You'll find them all in bags. These are my chokers. Where are they? Choker, where are you? Come out. See, this is a choker here. This is a new one. Some new ones here. Some of them already out. Anyway, so these are the drawer organization. This is something I would recommend you get. This is a very, very awesome product. It's a lifesaver. Coming back to the next shelf, I have a pair of new Guess shoes, a bag out here. Then the next shelf here holds my setting spray, these beautiful shoes which are from Guess. I just fell in love with them. They were like so pretty. They are like really glamorous. I don't know why, but they just take me back to the 60s. Did they even wear these in the 60s? I don't know. I just love these. The next thing here are my Guess shoes again. These are the pink ones. Barbie pink. I love these shoes. And this is a very glamorous bag. It's like so gorgeous in the evening. Some of these bags actually can glam up any outfit. Doesn't matter how dull. The next thing there is another golden glammy bag with some nude shoes. These down here are my everyday shoes. I wear these on a regular basis. Let me just sit down. Here you can see these. These are just for everyday wear. This guy was from Forever 21. Look at that heel. I like it. I like these big sexy heels. And this was also from Forever 21. I like this booty. It's like so cool. Alright guys, so this is a closet. I mean, this is what? A closet within a closet. This is a mirror. And inside here I have a long hanging for long dresses and gowns, which are like my height, like 5'4", 5'3". You need this when you have some beautiful gowns or some, maybe even some kind of designer wear which you need to hang. You can't just fold everything up. So you'll find some long pretty dresses. I love long maxis. So here are all my maxis. I've got ample space below to expand. I'm just like, I need to find a nice set of drawers to go down there. It's like really dark, but you can see it's like a mess, but there's lots of space. You can easily keep a pair of, a set of 2 drawers or so. And these are the long hangings along with some regular midi skirts, midi dresses rather. Alright, so I have some windows here. I recommend that if you can manage it, it would be great to have a window, because in case of any, when it's raining or something, you can just air out your closet. It prevents mold, sorry, not dew. It prevents mold and other things. Next to this is where I hang all my skirts and my clothes. Now I'll start with this. All these are mini skirts. So what I've learned is if you hang them together at the same length, you get a big chunk of space below. You can keep so many things out here. I mean, if you hung this irregularly, if you know what I'm saying, you hung it would be just a mix of clothes and there wouldn't be a mishmash and there wouldn't be any space. But if you do this, you hang them as cleverly like this, with the same lengths, you get lots of space below. I also have place here which I've kept some folded up clothes. Then below here are these medium tops. They are like not very long and not very short, but they do need a longish space. They are not going to be comfortable here. They'll just hang like, they'll be hanging right like something. Where's my finger? They'll be hanging here. So these guys are what require a longer space, so they go here. Just couple of inches off the floor. These hangers are also from Amazon. I just fell in love with them. They totally match my wardrobe. They're the same color as my wardrobe and I just love them. These were also not very expensive. I think a set of 5 cost something like $1,000 or so. If you go to Amazon, you can find these, but these are always out of stock. I'll try and link whatever I can find. I'll be trying and linking that for you guys. And if I haven't linked it, it means it's not there. Alright. So this is, it's not a very big walk-in, but it's like pretty comfortable for me. See. Oh, I forgot to show you these. These were from Bangkok. Very pretty hair clips. Very pretty hair clips. This is a complete tour of my going out wardrobe. I have 2 mirrors facing each other. Like this here. Mirror. This is a mirror. Yes. And this is the other mirror. So when you get dressed, you can just see your bum as well as your front, which is like really important in my opinion. So this is a total tour of my wardrobe. I hope you guys liked it, got some ideas, and if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like it and give it a big subscribe. Thanks guys, I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.